Page 70, Bells in the Tower. Oh, we got all kinds of things going on here. Just look at this mess. Well, let's look at it. It makes sense. We'll get into it. It is, what, 5 lines long now? It's the whole page. Treble and bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, in the key of G major. You know about the scale, blah, blah. Okay, do the scale. 4/4 time signature. We got different things going on in the hands. But for the most part, it's either one hand or the other playing, or the left hand's just playing this G and D. There's not a lot going on the left hand. So to shorten this video up a little bit, I'm going to kind of take both hands at the same time, because really when I would start to learn this, I would just do it one hand at a time first. But for the video, I'm going to talk about both hands at the same time. You're starting out in G position, of course. And we have here is a half note, but a quarter note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no big deal, I hope. In the second line, it's not now it's a broken chord. If you look across the second line, the 4 majors, it's a broken chord in the left hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's all you're doing. In the third line, it's a broken chord between the hands. And then G chord. So it's a broken G chord here. I'll tell you what that other chord is later. So that other chord is that. We've had that before. I just don't want to get into it yet. I'm waiting for the book to get into it. Now the last line, you're here. 1, 2, 3. And then you have a B flat here and a C sharp here. And so I'm going to use the 3rd finger on the B flat, and I'm going to use index on the C sharp. So it's again at the beginning of the line, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last 2 measures. The left hand's tied, just hold it down, and the right hand is 3 beats, and then lift up on B4, and then the last note has an 8 VA above it, meaning you go up to the next B up here. You have 1 beat rest to get there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You can use any finger you want to play it, because I don't care. It's up to you. I don't like moving my hand any more than I have to, so I usually use the little finger because it's closest. If I use this finger, I got to come all the way up. The hand comes all the way to here. If I use little finger, it's only to here. So I usually use little finger on this. But you don't have to. You can use any finger. You can use thumb if you want. You can move way up here. I don't care. Just pick a finger. And once you're comfortable sort of with the hands together, no hesitations anywhere, and we can try the articulation. You have phrasing in the right hand. Lift up. Okay, lift up between the phrases. In the left hand, you got staccatos. Hinge at the wrist and bounce off. Boom. You're on it and just press down and bounce off. Okay. Third line, it's all connected for the first 2 measures. So lift up. Lift up. And then back. Okay. And the last line, again, the right hand's connected. The idea. I might go a little fast there. You take it at whatever speed, but try and get the articulation worked out, and we can think about the dynamics. They give you 1 dynamic which is correct, and you have to apply that to the melody wherever it is, and everything else is in the background. Here, the melody on the first 2 lines is right hand. MF is mezzo forte, moderately loud, whatever you think is. These need to be soft. Actually, you can probably get away with playing these moderately soft, just under it. Don't play it the same, because it drowns. I want to hear this note. So keep it back a little bit, but because it's staccato, you can probably play it a little louder. Yeah? And then in the 3rd line down, you go up to loud, and this is both hands here. That's all melody. Then you echo that, soft. And then you're back to where you were doing at the beginning. And the last line, moderately soft, MP, mezzo piano, right hand. Left hand soft. last measure soft here in the right hand. Speed, somewhere in the middle. It's what that feels like. On the quarter notes, wherever you feel the quarter notes, that's sort of the speed of the piece. The eighth or the half notes will feel a little slow. Now that's tough. You got to go with the quarter notes on how fast you feel this should flow. Now they added pedal. I guess this is where the bells come in. In the third line, they've got pedal on the cross here, and then at the bottom they got pedal. They're not showing you exactly where the pedal should come up, but let's talk about it. So in the third line, I'm going to push the note down first and then the pedal. I'm going to lift the pedal up with the note at the same time with the note, and then I'm going to push it down after I play the note. So the second line, or the third line, lift up with the note at the end of the fourth beat. Okay. Then at the bottom, it goes down after I play the notes, and it comes up. They're saying lift it up on the fourth beat. So you lift the hands up for one beat and then the pedal. I disagree, I really do. I'm going to lift the pedal up with the hands and hear the rest. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, rest, 1, 2, 3, rest. I'm going to lift the pedal up with the hands. Now again, you're using pedal in this, so you put your foot on the pedal at the beginning and you leave it on the pedal for the whole piece. Don't be putting your foot on the pedal and taking it off. Please don't copy me. You get into the music and you feel it and you make it yours. You got to get past the mechanics of the notes and all, and you start really getting into the music. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Feel the natural accents as you play 2. I don't talk about those enough. Let's play it together slowly and double check all the notes and rhythms. I'll do the pedaling like I described. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up on 4, yeah.